And the sixth pillar is people. And people can be a lot of things. People can be your audience. People can be your customers. People can be your clients. People can be your peers. And this, I think, is one of the most important pillars to have in your business. Yes, you need to know how to run your business. Yes, you need to know the tactics and the strategy and be motivated to have your business. And you need to follow the right people and you need to give yourself permission. But without people, without customers, without an audience, you're kind of just by yourself in a room playing by yourself, and you're not. It's not a business. A business isn't made to improve your life. A business is made to improve the life of others, and this is crucial. You have to look at everything you do in your business, every strategy you develop, every tactic you made. It all has to feed into, we here are trying to help these people, and we have an obligation to help these people. And if anyone says anything different, or if you yourself start to think that I want to do this for selfish reasons, or I want to do this for myself, or I think the business will benefit from this because it will benefit me, wrong. It's about the people. It's about the audience you create. It's about the customers you have. It's about the clients you build relationships with. And it's also about the peers and colleagues that you build along the way. You should find peers. You should, in your business, you should not be a one-man army. You should start to build and grow a network of other creatives because they need your help. Think about who can help me, not always think about how I can do this. Think about who can help me achieve this goal, as opposed to what 5-10 steps do I need to do to achieve these goals. And that's kind of looking back at the tactics pillar, where you're like, okay, that's being the technician, where you're thinking about like in E-Myth, you're the technician. I'm going to make the thing. I'm going to make the video. And instead, start maybe backing up. You kind of shift into manager mode and say, well, can we hire somebody to do this? Can we bring on a friend to help us with this? Can we seek advice from one of our colleagues about what we should do in this piece? And then backing it up even further to thinking like an entrepreneur and saying, how can we involve our audience? How can we involve our clients in this? How can we get our peers, our audience, our readers involved in this whole process? And that is what I feel like is a really important part of running a successful, I'm going to get it, to running a successful creative business.